Guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. So we're here going to be showing you how to use an engine block tester basically for a head gasket. So here I went to AutoZone. You can rent this at your local AutoZone for, I believe it was 28 bucks. Here's the actual tube itself. Here's a little pump that you use to pump the residue. Let's go ahead and start this video and show you how to use it. We're back at it with this Honda Civic. So you're also going to need this liquid that's going to go into that tube, and I'm going to show you every single step of the way how to put it on the radiator, and also I'll show you the difference between the colors. So with blue, if it stays blue, that means you have a good head gasket. If it changes to any other color like yellow, green, whatever, then you have a leak in your head gasket somewhere. You have a problem with the head gasket. This is what the test is for. We got it right there. We're going to set it up for you and show you exactly how it works. And as you can see, there's a splatter of coolant everywhere, and mostly it's coming out of the reservoir. It's leaking from there, and I see a bunch of leak. Oh, that's oil though. That's another problem. That's another job, another day. But mostly where all the heating is coming from and escaping is from the reservoir. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Oh, remember the last video I showed you guys how to use this right here, an extractor. We're gonna go ahead and take some coolant out because we want to make sure that this doesn't get any coolant inside of it. So you just want to take at least, I don't know, at least this much of coolant, because then you're gonna put it there. You want to make sure no coolant gets in here. So we're gonna take some out with this extractor right here. So we're just gonna put this right here, and you could put it in a pan or jug or anything, but we just have water in here for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pump it. Just take some of it out. Oh, there you go. That works right there. There you go. This is what I want to take out. Come on. I just need to take the top off basically. Until
you can fit that whole container in, right?
Yeah. What you want to do is you want to fill all the way up to right here where it says fluid level. You want to go ahead and fill it up with this liquid. Well, right there is fine. That'll be okay. I'll go over a little bit. I could always drain it out if I have to. And then we're gonna go ahead and turn on the car. So go ahead and turn on the car. And while it's running, we're gonna go ahead and take this other tool that comes with it. You're gonna want to put it in here, and then for 2 minutes you're gonna want to squeeze it for 2 minutes. Here we go. And if it changes any color, if it changes to yellow or green, there's a head gasket issue. We're just gonna keep pumping for 2 minutes. We're looking good, but again, I'd rather be safe than sorry, because I had issues with these cars before and they ended up being a head gasket. But instead of throwing all this money on water pump, thermostats and lines and everything else, I'd rather be safe than sorry. It's just from past experiences. Like I said before, these cars most of the time ended up having gasket issues. So we're just doing the test to show you how the block tester combustion leak test works. And also, just checking to see if this car has a head gasket issue. And so again, we're just looking to see if it changes color. So if it stays blue, which it is still blue at this moment, then it's good. But if it turns yellow or green, that's when you know you have a head gasket issue. But as of right now, we are looking really, really good. And it's still, as you can see, it's still blue. It's not as blue as it was, but it's still blue. It's still blue. So head gasket is good. If you learn anything in this video, make sure you guys give it a like, share, help the video and the channel a lot. It would be much appreciated. Your boy Cgfix always got you with a new video, probably 2 or 3 a week. And I'll keep you updated. As long as you put notification bell on, you'll get to see all the videos coming up. So I appreciate it for all the love and support. And I hope you learn anything in this video and you're able to do this at home without paying a local mechanic to check if your head gasket is the issue of your overheating problems. Well, you guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.